Hey, what's going on everyone, and welcome to another Pedal Commander recap video. If you're a new video, thank you for tuning in, and my name is JP, and I hope you hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit that bell for notifications. And if you're feeling really awesome today, don't forget to hit that thumbs up after this video is over. And before we get into the review of the Pedal Commander, don't forget we have these Jeep Topograph t-shirts. They're available at our Teespring store, and it's linked down below. Alright, so the last setting that my Jeep has been on has been Sport Mode +4. Prior to this I did City Mode +4, and I didn't get that great of miles per gallon on City Mode +4. Decided to jump over to Sport Mode +4 and see how that worked out. If you've been following this series, you'll know that Sport Mode +2 has still been the best setting at 13.1 miles per gallon. Alright, so on Sport Mode +4, I will say that the Jeep is super peppy, and even Jordana stated when she's been driving it, there's a lot of pickup. You don't have to really press the gas pedal that hard, and the Jeep just takes off, which is pretty good. So that makes it really fun to drive. However, I was thinking that, you know, you're definitely having a lot more gas going into the engine that way, so I wasn't figuring the gas mileage would be that great. But alright, let's see the video and see what we came in at. Alright, coming to the end of this next test on Sport Mode +4. Let's see what we're at. And 11.4 miles per gallon on Sport Mode +4. So I think this has been the lowest miles per gallon so far. And 46 miles to empty. So another 200 miles tested. Alright, as you can see, Sport Mode +4 on the Pedal Commander came in at 11.4 miles per gallon. Not that great. Sport Mode 0 with no setting, I think, was at 12 miles per gallon. Sport Mode +1, I was at 12.1 miles per gallon, and Sport Mode 2, 13.1 miles per gallon. So Sport Mode +4, definitely, I think, one of the worst miles per gallon yet. So now I've reset the mileage. Alright, so just reset my miles per gallon from Sport Mode +4. Alright, so gas tank full, and I switched to Sport Mode +3. So I'm going to do this for another 200 gallons. And filled up the tank again, and we switched to Sport Mode +3. So we're going to run that for another 200 miles and see where we come in at for that setting. See if we get a little closer to Sport Mode +2. After do Sport Mode +3, I'm going to switch back over to City Mode +3, and then once City Mode +3 is done, I'm going to go to using no Pedal Commander and do another test and see miles per gallon. Prior to using the Pedal Commander, some people have been asking on the comments what was my miles per gallon. I was averaging anywhere from about 11.6 to 12 miles per gallon. I was also doing a lot of off-road driving on the beach, so that was definitely affecting my miles per gallon. So that's why I kind of wanted to get some benchmarks with the Pedal Commander, and then get another benchmark of not using the Pedal Commander, and then do a final evaluation on all my miles per gallons and see if it lives up to the claim of 20% improved miles per gallon. I will say that driving with the Pedal Commander definitely makes the Jeep much more fun to drive, but so far I haven't really seen that great of an improvement on the miles per gallon, except on the Sport Mode +2. Alright, so that was just a quick little recap video on the Pedal Commander, and if you've been following along in this series, please continue to follow along almost to the end, and yeah, I'm going to do one final review of all my miles per gallons and break everything down. So look out for that video. Alright, thanks again for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget about these shirts. They're linked down below for our Teespring store, and they help support the channel. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.